In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel on Canva. We'll start with importing, then wrap up by exporting so you can share or present your work with confidence. First, open the Canva design you want to work in. The quickest way to bring files in is to drag and drop. On your computer, locate your PDF, PowerPoint, Word, or Excel file. You'll see Canva recognize the file and begin processing it. If you prefer a menu-driven approach, open the Uploads panel on the left. Click Upload Files and select everything you need: PDF and PowerPoint files like PPTX plus Word, Docs and Excel, XLSX. Click Open and watch the status bar appear. So you know exactly how the upload is progressing. Keep in mind a few key support details. For PDFs, the maximum size is 30 megabytes and up to 100 pages. PowerPoint files can be PPTX, PPT, POTX and PPSM. Word and Excel should be Docs and XLSX. Scanned PDFs will import as flat images, which means you can move and resize them but not edit the text itself. Text-based PDFs, however, usually bring in editable text and elements. Excel files import well for layout and visuals. But active formulas won't carry over, so plan to finalize calculations before importing. Once your files finish uploading, you'll find them in the Uploads panel under the Design section, ready to drag right onto your page. From there, you can rearrange pages, tweak text, and apply Canva styles just like any other element. If something looks off after import, like a font shift or a chart reflow, adjust it on the canvas so it matches your intended design. When you are ready to export, open the design you want to download. In the top right corner, click Share, then select Download. Use the file type dropdown to choose the right format for your needs. For PDFs, pick PDF Standard for everyday digital sharing and a smaller file size. Or choose PDF Print when you want higher quality suitable for printing. If you need to present or collaborate in slide software, select Microsoft PowerPoint, PPTX to export an editable deck you can open in PowerPoint. That's it. Thanks for watching.